Hi, I'm going to show you a few ways to manage your autocorrect and spelling dictionaries on your MacBook. The first way that we're going to look at is by going into the system preferences for your Mac. So if you go to the very top left corner of your screen and click on the Apple, System Preferences, then you'll click on this grid at the top to get all of the system preference items. Go to Keyboard. From here, select the Text tab, and in here you could turn off Correct Spelling automatically. So if it was correcting something that was problematic for you, you could turn that off here. Another way to change this is in the Chrome browser. So if I had this name that I wanted to be remembered every time, I can hover over it and click Add to Dictionary. This is within the Grammarly Chrome extension, which I think is pretty useful, so you could use that tool. Another way within the Chrome browser would be to go into Chrome System Preferences. So at the top, click on Chrome and Preferences. Once you're in here, you can go to Advanced and Languages, which is where you could turn the spell check on or off. Those are a couple tools that hopefully can help you problem solve your issue today. I hope that helps.